Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But further in this video, I will also give you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that the first thing is that your phone should be battery charged at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charged at least 30%, or you can also take help of your charger at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then you can also take help of my upcoming videos, or you may also take help of my older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, you will have to switch off your phone's all type of network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. As you see here, my phone is showing here network of telecommunication and Wi-Fi network. So firstly, I will have to switch off my phone's network. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get a lots of keys here. You can see here. So you can also see here there is an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network. Now after activating this, you can see here my phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network are now switched off. Now my phone is ready to go with the unlocking method, but before going to the unlocking method, one more thing I will have to do with my phone. Okay, so the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed before going to the unlocking method, because to unlock your smartphone, it's most important to close all the background running application, but it is not possible when your phone is locked. It's not possible to close all the background running application. But there are some secret code which generated by the all brand service center to close the background running application when your phone is locked, and you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad like this. I'm going to do here. You can also see with me. This is the recent secret code. It may be changed within 2 or 3 days. This secret code updates every 2 or 3 days. Okay. So now you will have to slide your phone upside. You can see here my phone has been pattern locked. Okay, now you can get here option of a emergency SOS option. So simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS or emergency call option, and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. You can see here. Now here you will have to feed this secret code to close the background running application, and this recent secret code is *999, then *854 then *000, then hash. Now after feeding this secret code to close the running application, you will have to call on this secret code, and when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call fed like this. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to call on this number 3 times continuously. After call on this number 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the special emergency mode, or it's also known as master unlocking mode. So simply you will have to clear your phone like this. Clear your phone, this secret code like this. Now I'm going to give you a USSD code or a special code which takes your phones to the engineers mode or master unlocking mode, and this USSD code is *899 and hash. Remember this number *899 then hash. After feeding this number, you will reach to a new page, and you can see here the page name is after sales page. It's also known as master unlocking page. Now you will get a lots of option on this page. You can see here After this, you will have to simply go with the option of a software version. You can see here. When you will click on this software version, you will reach to a new page. That page name is software version page. Okay, now you will get a lots of option on this page. You can see here the first option is showing here your phone's model number. Okay, it means you don't have to go with this model number option. Simply you can see here the second option is showing here Android version 13. Okay, now it may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12. So don't worry at all. If your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times rapidly. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this Android version option 13 times rapidly. So I'm going to click on this option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done. After this, you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page and you will get another option of a manual test above the software version. You can see here. Now you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page. That page's name is engineers mode, and you will also get an option of a assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. You can see here. But you don't have to go with any option on this page. After this, you will have to simply slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. You can see here at the end of the slide, other option has been appeared on my phone display. Now you will also get a lots of option. I mean to say 5 option on this page. You can see here, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you can see here the 4th option is showing here mainboard version. Okay, now it's also known as database version. But both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version 10 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the second step has been done. You can see here. Now you will have to go with the option, second number option, that is read write important lock test, my friend. So simply you will have to click on this read write important lock test, and at the first time when you will click on this read write important lock test, you will reach to a new page and it will ask you to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. At the first time, simply you will have to cancel this. Again at the second time you will have to do the same, and you will have to cancel this option, and the third time you will have to do the same. Okay, now at the 4th time when you will click on this option, at the 4th time you will have to give a OK command to this option. And when you will give a OK command or to this option, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But before going to the unlock your phone, one most important step you will have to do with your phone, and if you have skipped any step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again. So watch the video properly and follow the every step properly to unlock your smartphone. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. You can see here. Now you will also get a lots of option on this page. Okay, now you don't have to go with any other option on this page. What I'm going to give you a step, you will have to follow that only. Okay, now you can see here at the 6th number the option is showing here sensor self test and calibration option. So simply you will have to go with this option, and at the first time when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and this page is showing 3 type of option on the phone display. You can see here. It may be possible your phone will be 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all. All the options are showing here operation not started. You can see here. So simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on this option. Okay, now I'm going to click on this option, and I will continue click on this option until I get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, now you can see here I'm going to do here. Test has been started. At the first option is showing here test failed. The second option I'm going to click here test has been started and test failed, and the third option I'm going to click here test has been started but a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display in green color. You can see here. Now it means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked. Now how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked? Now you can see here at the bottom of the phone there is an option of a home button. So simply I will click on this home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked and all the applications which were in my phone when my phone was locked as it is in my phone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick respond on your issues. Thank you so much. See you in next video.